at Winco. I'm not. I haven't had tilapia in a while.
Where's the tilapia? Tilapia.
That's what, $2.98 a pound. How much is this? This is 2 pounds.
That's only $100. This is mix.
Let me see.
There's 4. Just
That's a deal of product ready dinners here, just microwave them.
Ew.
Yeah, sweet
Ooh.
chili chicken, you're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, I just showed my ashy hand. Lemon mint.
Okay, I went to a couple stores and picked up these groceries that you see before you. Some items have already disappeared, so let's go ahead and get started. To start off, we do not drink regular cow's milk. We drink almond milk. We drink the unsweetened vanilla by Almond Breeze. So I get it in this jug because we go through it quickly between overnight oats and cereal and different things. I couldn't find my creamer, but I found this one that looks interesting because I like cookies and cream. So I figured I'd pick this up and give it a try. Save Mart had Propels on sale for a really good deal. So I got lemon, kiwi, strawberry, and peach. As you can see, this one has already gotten some, and then there are already some missing. My son likes to drink those at his basketball. Then I picked up some yogurt for him. He likes like the old school yogurts. He's not a big Greek yogurt kind of fan, so he got a few different French vanilla and some other flavors, strawberry, and I think this one is a mixed berry. Yes. Baby carrots. We eat these as a snack, and I also put them in his lunch. Asparagus, which is going to be one of the vegetables I cook in my meal prep. These V8 Energy Sparkling Kiwi Melon, so it's a 4-pack, and I haven't tasted them, but they look like they'll be good, so I am always looking for some energy. And then I just went back to the gym this week, and so Costco had this on sale. It's the Essential Amino Energies by Optimum Nutrition, and it's a juicy strawberry burst. So I'm excited to try that out and see how I like it and see how the energy is. Got some craisins, snacks, stir fry. I'm going to be doing stir fry this week, so I like to mix these two. So this one is the asparagus stir fry, and then this one is just the regular vegetable stir fry. And I throw in some like island soyaki sauce from Trader Joe's and some meat. And this is a rice cauliflower. I didn't notice it had cheese in it until after I'd already purchased it, but I figured, hey, give it a try. Boom, chicka pop. The purple bag is the best, so this will last us for quite a while. Some Belvita, the brown sugar cinnamon flavor. Oatmeal, I do my overnight oats with the old-fashioned Quaker oats. Honey Nut Cheerios. Now, generally I make my own oven roasted potatoes. Like I will get all of the potatoes from like Sprouts or something, cut them up, season them myself, but I seen these when I was walking in Costco, so I figured it was like $6, might as well pick it up and give it a try. If you're trying to meal prep but you don't really have a lot of time to meal prep, this would be an easy thing to do because you can just pop these into the oven and then separate it into all of your packages. Eggs. Always need eggs. A lot of times my son will like to switch back and forth between like a turkey sandwich or a dry salami sandwich or a egg salad sandwich or peanut butter jelly. And then I also do hard-boiled eggs as snacks or breakfast with some toast. I got myself some Chobani Greek yogurt in the strawberry flavor. And I like to put chia seeds in it. I'm out of chia seeds, so I'm gonna have to see if I'll just eat it plain or go grab some chia. When we do our movie nights, we pop some popcorn, and this seasoning on some popcorn, plain popcorn, is amazing, like life-changing. Get some. I got some soups from Safeway, and I realized I grabbed the wrong one. Split pea with ham. Okay, we don't eat pork, and split pea, it looks disgusting. So I gotta take that back to Safeway, and I think that was supposed to be a clam chowder, so I'm gonna go exchange that for clam chowder. Street tacos, so we're gonna be doing tacos this week as well. So I grabbed some street tacos because this keeps me from putting too much stuff into my taco if I get the bigger tortillas. So I like these because I can throw a little bit of meat, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of toppings, and bam, there you go. I got some Jimmy Dean turkey sausage patties, just for a quick breakfast if I'm wanting to heat something up really quickly. And then these hot Italian turkey sausages at Winco were on sale for $2.59. And I think, oh, and then we also picked up a few non-food items. So we got some Scotch-Brite heavy-duty scrub sponges. It comes in a pack of, I think this is 21, and they last forever. And you just don't want to use the same sponge forever because that's harvesting a lot of germs and bacteria. So make sure you guys are swapping those out. And then hangers. So all of my hangers in my closet are the ones that Costco had, I want to say a year ago, that had the little loop right here. But I figured these ones that don't have a loop, I can put my pants on, and then there's a little bit more space for them. So that came in a 50 pack. So I'm going to see, I'm sure I have over 50 pants, but I'm going to check it out and see if I should go get some more. Okay, and then this week, Amanda on This Crazy Life did a Winco run, which made me remember about Winco because I hadn't been to Winco in quite some time. And she said that the bagels were amazing. So in the video, you'll see that I picked up some, not bananas, bagels. I picked up some bagels, but they did not last to make it to the haul.